Troy here. We're back with the old 132 and we're going to talk about how we did a hot rod mod.
So in our first video, we had some questions in the comments about exactly what this machine is and what it does. So this is a 132 micron gear hobbing machine. It actually produces gear teeth in small gears. The other comments that we've had on the first video is, how complicated is this to actually integrate, to put this robot on this machine?
Okay, so this is our overall system. This is the OB7 robot. This is the main control computer. This is the tablet. We have some other components here that are important for the total integration. These are integrated. This whole system talks with each other. It's integrated. So we have a general equipment interface. We have some cables that interface the robot to the I/O. I call this the I/O in the other room. And then we have some pneumatic boxes that control two different functions. This particular one controls the tailstock. We've added a pneumatic actuator that actually just actuates the tailstock. We have some custom machine components that are very simple for interfacing that actuator to the tailstock. And we have some pneumatic hose to do that. We have another pneumatic box that controls the blow-off kit. What's really cool about these is they're all magnetically coupled, mounted. Stick them to the side of the machine and you're done. It's that simple. That's the basic system.
All right, the mounting is super simple. We actually mount this directly to the back of the machine using a standard angle plate, some 3/8/16 bolts, and it's done. All right, so here's our computer. We've actually mounted to the wall, so it's up off the floor. Very clean that way. And we can interface the cables to our I/O box. This is our GEI box. This is our input and output box that talks to the robot, receives and sends signals to our control systems. Our pneumatics. Very straightforward. Okay, so here we are on the back of the machine. You saw these boxes on the table. So here's the one pneumatic box. This is for the tailstock. And here's the other pneumatic box for the blow-off kit. And they're coupled together with the airline, as you can see clearly. And these are magnetically coupled, as I mentioned, so we can put them anywhere on the machine. We just stuck it to the back of the machine because it's clean for the pneumatic line and easy serviceable. Very, very serviceable being back here. All right, so we just saw a small gear being cut on a 132 micron with the auto load system that we have. So you can see it's pretty simple. That is our hot rod mod for the 132. Full production machine now.